So I was gifted this RENPHO heating pad. Now this heating pad is good for your neck, your shoulders, and all of your back. Now this is super soft. You'll feel like you're getting a warm hug from a bear. That's how nice this feels. It does have a clasp right here that's going to allow you to keep this nicely hooked to yourself. And it does have this strap so that way you can have it so it's nice and conformed to your body. Now it does have a remote control to it, and this will allow you to go up and down in temperature. Now the timer on here will allow you to set it for 30, 60, or 90 minutes, and it will go up to 150 degrees in temperature and as low as 100 degrees in temperature. So all in all, if you're looking for a heating pad that is going to feel so wonderful on you and very comfortable as well, because it just fits so lovely, you may want to consider this one. It really is super soft and heats up so wonderfully, you might just spend the day in bed.